Okay, so Sohail, please tell me about yourself.
Hello. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Sahil Raza.
MashaAllah. Okay,
I study in class 12th
okay,
and I am read English class with Amir Hazrat.
okay, MashaAllah. And
Very best class in my
okay,
first day.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Very good. Thank you for your you. And next question is that, can you tell me about your father name?
Yes, my father is Muzaffar Hussain.
Muzaffar Hussain. And where do you live right now?
I am I live in Bhilai.
MashaAllah.
I
Vilayat
live in
team.
Isha
Okay.
Santinagar.
Okay, okay, okay. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. And can you tell me that, what does your father do?
My father do a private job
Okay, very
in
good.
Raipur, Sarona.
Okay, very good, mashallah. And did you enjoy this class from this class? I mean,
Yes,
English speaking course?
yes, yes, I am very enjoying my first day in English class. I'm
Mashallah,
very enjoying.
mashallah. And okay, very good.